Now I am going to talk about count, count a, count blank, and count if. You can see it here. So if I want to get the count of the total number of cells, how I'm going to do it? Equals count. So we got the count, and now I have to select everything, all the cells from here to here, and we are going to get the count. So what is the count? There are 24 cells here that has got the value. So now I am going to take up this equation. I am going to take one of this value from the cell, and I want to see how many cells are non-blank. So in order to do that, we can do it count a. What is a count a? So I'm going to select all the range here from B2 all the way down to D9, and let's see how many values are there right now. Right now it's only 23 because one of the cell don't have any value. That is why it shows us 23. And I am going to, now I need to know how many cells are blank here. So in order to do that, we have a formula name count blank. So again I am going to select all the range, and now I know that there is only one cell that is blank. So now I'm going to do count of. What is a count of? Equals count if. So count if. Okay, now I need to know how many cells have value like 3. Number 3. In this all number of cells, how many cells have got the value 3? So count if. Again, I am going to select all the range, and my criteria is how many cells have the value 3. So quotes and put it, and now I know that I have 7 cells that has got the value 3. If you have any questions, you can count it and you will see number 7 here. So those are the count functions. Now I am going to go to the next one. So I have New York City here, and if I want to know the length, how many characters are in the New York City, what I am going to do, I am going to get the function len, len function, and the text, this is the text, and I have 13. The value number is 13, and you may be surprised, what is 13? So it's nothing but NEW is 3. There is one space between W and Y that is also counted as a character. So that is 4, Y 5, 6, 7, 8, K is 8, there's a space, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is how we got 13. So in Excel function, length function, the space is also taking as a count. That's also counted here. So now if I want to get the left, if I want to extract the new from there, how I'm going to extract the new from there? I use the left function and the text is New York City, and I want to take how many? NEW, up to W there are 3 characters. So now I got new. And how about if I want to take the city from there? If I want to take the city, we can use the function right, and here right, and you can see the text is this one, and the city, how many characters are there in the city? 4. Let's see, the city is taken. And if I want to take the York from there and want to extract York, we can use a mid function. What is a mid function? The text right now is New York City. You know, as we said before, we need to put the starting number. What's the starting number? It starts from Y, but we need to know the count. NEW is 3. There is one space 4, and Y is 5, and the K is the last one. We want to take the York, so we need to put the ending numbers. So Y is 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see, we should get the York from there. Let's see what happened here. 5, and from 5, I'm sorry, there's a mistake here, not 8. We are supposed to put 4 because Let me explain that again to make it more clear. So we use a mid function, and the text is New York City. So we put that text, and then 5, it starts from 5, and the 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we extract the York from there. Hope it's clear. And now I am going to see how we can do the proper. So I'm going to make the New York everything. I'm going to make it into small, Y, small case, C, city is also small case. Now I'm going to do proper. What proper is going to do? Let's see what proper is going to do. And the text is New York City. So you can see, so everything, all the words, N-E-W-N became cap, Y became capital letter, and C became capital. So New York City, all the beginning characters of this 3 word become became capital. That's what the proper function is. Now I want to change everything into uppercase. So which one I'm going to do? Equals upper. So when I put upper, I'm going to select this text, and everything is going to be an uppercase. New York City, everything change into uppercase. So now you know I'm going to talk about lower. So we want to take everything into lowercase. I am going to make, let me see, N, Y, everything. I'm going to make everything into small case. But how I'm going to do that? So this is going to be, everything is going to be in small case, L-O-W-E-R, and the text, and this is going to be change everything into lowercase now.